How to study more with less time. I think this really is something very important that most of you want to know. So before we take a look at that, let's just take a look at how our human brain works. It basically uses two very simple methods, repetition and association. Now, repetition is something that we're all very familiar with. What if I ask you to learn how to pronounce a new word? We'll listen to it and we tend to repeat a few times to get it, right? So how about your multiplication timetable? 9 times 7, 63. So you're not adding 9 sevens together, but you are relying on what you already know. By repetition, you are able to come out with a result. So we all know that repetition is a very important way to remember things. But sometimes it isn't very efficient. So now let's take a look at what association means. Association means taking unfamiliar information to link with something you already know, and then we will remember things better. So let's take a look at A-Math topic trigonometry. If you're a parent here and you remember ASTC for 20-30 years of your life, how do you do that? So your teacher must have told you that add sugar to coffee. Now you have turned 4 totally unrelated words to you to something your brain can comprehend. I'm going to quote the famous brain coach Jim Quick. He says that information by itself is forgettable, but if information pairing with emotion, it becomes unforgettable. Now, what if I'm going to tell you that ASTC is all science teacher crazy? You will never forget about it because our brain loves something that is very funny, so that you can retain the information longer. Here at Achevas, we're going to help you to learn A-Math using these two very powerful techniques. Our lessons here are recorded so you can play it anytime you want it, and also you can replay it however many times you want it. Also, as an NLP practitioner, I'll be using a lot of association method in A-Math to help you remember things better. I can't wait to have you here with me, so make sure you check out the link here or below, and I'll see you soon in our next video.